Pleasant good day to you all. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some funnel cakes. I had this craving for funnel cakes and decided to bring you all in the kitchen while I make it. So to get started, I have some all-purpose flour. I'll be using buttermilk, but you can use regular whole milk if you like. I also have some eggs, baking powder, some vanilla extract, salt, and sugar. Super simple. So before we get started on the batter, let's make a quick topping to go with our funnel cakes. Here I have some strawberries, sugar, some spices, clove, nutmeg, cinnamon, salt. I have vanilla extract, cornstarch, and some red food coloring. To a medium-sized saucepan, we'll add some butter, allow it to melt. Once it melts, we'll go in with the strawberries, the sugar, salt, and the spices. We'll give them a good mix and we'll allow the sugar and the spices to dissolve. Once it dissolves, we'll cover it and allow it to cook until the strawberries are nice and tender. It should not take a long time. It takes about 10 minutes. Once the strawberries are nice and tender, we'll go in with some lemon juice. I did taste it and realized that it needed a bit of lemon juice, so I'll add some lemon juice. I'll add the vanilla extract and the cornstarch slurry. Now I don't need the red food coloring because the strawberries were nice and ripe and vibrant in color. So I thought I needed some color here, but I don't. This is just perfect. We'll allow that cornstarch to thicken. Once it thickens, turn the heat off and set aside. So for the batter, you want to combine all the dry ingredients first. We'll add the flour, the baking powder, salt, and sugar. Mix well and set aside. Then we'll move over to our wet ingredients. You want to combine your eggs with the milk, the vanilla extract. Mix really well. And then we will combine the two. You want to add your wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Mix until you form a nice runny consistency. This is basically a pancake batter you're making. Instead of using a funnel to make the funnel cakes, I'll be using a bottle with a cap, and this is what it looks like. I poured my batter into a measuring cup so that it will be easier to distribute into the bottle. And once I'm done, I will place the cap on, and this is what it looks like. And this is what I'll be using because I feel like it's easier to manipulate and to, make the cakes with. So this is what I'll be using, but feel free to use a funnel or you could use a piping bag. So here in my preheated oil, I will now start, just squirting that batter in there. You can squirt it in any order that you like as long as it forms like a cake shape, a round shape. And it's super simple and easy, guys. Once it browns up on one side, we'll give it a flip and allow it to brown nicely on the other side, and then we'll remove it and carry on with the same process until we are all out of batter. Now let's assemble our funnel cake. You want to get a strainer and just top it with some powdered sugar. Add as much or as little as you like. Then you want to go in with that topping that we made. Again, add as much or as little as you like. Then we will add a scoop of ice cream there, and that's it, guys. The perfect sweet treat. When I tell you this is delicious, trust me on that. Whenever I go to Busch Gardens, Water Country, whichever amusement park we go to, we have to get some funnel cake. It is so delicious. If you have not yet tried it, this is your chance to give it a try. I love all the textures, the crispiness, from the funnel cake, and then you have the sweetness from the topping and the coldness from the ice cream. It is so good. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for your girl. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and bye bye.